What's up guys, it's Sava with SOS Kitchen, and today I'm remaking an Amaretto cake I grew up loving from the Moosewood Cookbook. This is a slightly boozy almond pound cake that's just amazing on its own, but it goes even better with a cup of coffee or some whipped cream. As always, instructions can be found in the box below, but let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is lightly toast some almond meal. Put it in a pan over medium-high heat and toast it, stirring it constantly until the almond meal has taken on a slightly golden color, and then put it to the side to cool. In a large bowl, cream together 2 sticks of butter and some sugar. Make sure it's really nice and smooth and fluffy before adding in 2 eggs and a pinch of salt. Mix until smooth and then add in a cup of flour and mix again until it's combined. At this point, we're going to pour in our milk and a healthy amount of amaretto because that's what this cake is about. Add in a splash of almond extract here if you have it. Mix the liquids until combined and then add in the other half of flour plus the baking powder. Stir it in only until mixed, and then we're going to finish the cake by hand so we don't overwork the batter. Add your toasted almond meal from earlier into the bowl and use a spatula to fold it into the batter. Divide the finished batter between 2 buttered and floured loaf pans and put it in the oven to bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When the cakes come out of the oven, let them cool for 5 minutes, and then we're going to pour more amaretto over the top of the cake to soak in. I decided to try something different and poke holes into one of the cakes to let the amaretto get in everywhere, but all I had was a big chopstick. I like this method, but I'd also suggest if you have something thin like a cake tester, use that instead so you don't have big holes all over the top of your cake. Once the amaretto has soaked in, take the cakes out of their pans and dust them with some powdered sugar. This cake is so good. It's delicious on its own, but it pairs amazingly with some coffee and some whipped cream if you have it. It's slightly boozy with an overwhelming almond flavor that I just love, and I'm sure you'll love it too if you try it. Let me know how it turns out, and please subscribe to Sweet or Savory Kitchen for more videos with me. Thanks for cooking with me again. Bye.